Hey everyone, so apparently today is going to be like the end of the world since it's December 21st. Some people say it might be by aliens, foreign invaders, earthquakes, floods, zombies. I am so prepared. For me, it's really not going to happen. I mean, I've been noticing signs outside and they seem pretty normal. So right now I'm outside and there's been a lot of jets going by. I think they're military because they've been dropping like missiles or something. If you can hear right now, one's coming, I'll show you. Just keep your eye on the sky. Or I'm getting really suspicious if it's aliens because I saw an alien ship today. It looks like the elite ship from Halo. And I don't know if this is just a practice, but those people are idiots. They ruined my program.
Forget about this program.
So whether it's foreign invaders, I'm prepared. Whether it's zombies, I'm prepared. Whether it's aliens, we're all screwed. What's this?
Don't look, or it takes you.
I wasn't prepared for this.